In the daytime, I'm Marinette, just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet, 'cause I have secrets. Another day, I'm back in school. I think about him, he's so cool. He looks at me, I look away, but does he see me anyway? He's got me spinning round. My feet are off the ground. And when the sun goes down, that's when I become miraculous, simply the best, up to the test when things go wrong. Miraculous, the luckiest, the power of love always so strong.
I am the cat, just chilling out, but in the night, she's all I think about. I feel so strong when she's around. She picks me up when I